How to log into Moneygram on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into Moneygram on your iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to log into the Moneygram application on your iPad, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Moneygram app here, and then you're going to see this type of interface by default. Now assuming that it's all of this you can see, now currently unfortunately the Moneygram system is currently down, sorry. So instead of this, what we can do is we can also actually open up our browser here, and when we open our browser we will simply go to Moneygram right here. We'll just type in Moneygram and then just hit the go option here, and once we do that you can just tap the first link here, and once you tap the first link you'll be taken to the page where you can directly log in to your Moneygram account by tapping the login option from the top of the screen here. Now since the application had a failure, now keep in mind the process to log in on the app is also pretty much the same. There's nothing much different about it. You just have to look for the login button. Here you'll find the option to enter your email address here, and once you find the enter your email address, you can just tap the password option to enter your password. If you happen to forget your password, you can tap the I icon here in order to reset your password, or you can directly tap the login option in order to go ahead and then basically log in directly to your Moneygram account. This way you'll be able to log into Moneygram on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.